Hello everyone, this is Master Chu. Welcome to Shiun Kung Fu. And in the following video, I will illustrate 3 basic methods of defending bad guys in the street. Hope you will like this video. They are all Kung Fu style. I can finish you immediately. Cut, and then we can follow a lot of the movements. Go here, here, or here, there. Okay, so a lot of the variation. But suppose you are very strong and you are under good training, so maybe I cannot intercept you in the first step, so that you will continue to punch me with your right feet. Here, okay, I will finish you immediately. This is the double punch. And now, the other way to dealing with your punch may be like this. Okay, first attack, go. Okay, and the second one here, I guaso first, and then I try to attack you. This is another form. 1, 2, gua. Okay, gua. Pow! Here, I will attack you with my elbow to broken your ribs. Pow! See, this is elbow. This is we call gua. Guaso. Okay, guaso. And you have to make sure that when we attack our opponent with a guaso, in the second step, we will do this one here, gua, gua, and then here to finish our opponent. Why our hand put here? That's because first punch and second punch, I gua, and at this position, see, look like this, and here is a space I can step in, then I will slide in directly to hit you. So see the structure here. If I do it in a correct way, okay, you leave me here, see, just like what we practice normally. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, you can check the videos on my left side. These videos are relevant to this video. You can find out some basic ways, for example, intercept the punches from your bad guys initially, so that you can do the following movements I tried to illustrate in this video. Hope you like this and wish you all have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.